Hi, Audrey. Hi. Oh, is that your scramble bug? Oh, wow. And look at your octopus. Bubbles. Bubbles. Oh, wow. Yeah, the bubbles.
That's some wicked marimba playing.
You doing that with your feet? You trying to climb that? Hello. Oh, wow. She's concentrating.
One more? No. Let's start on the next one.
Hey, Shambles. You're doing that with your foot. Oh, wow. Just play the octopus again.
Oh, scramble bug.
Scramble bug. Oh, wow. You're going to go in the scramble bug. Oops.
Oh, there she goes.
Sorry.
Yes. Excitement.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you get on it?
Distraction.
Too distracted.
All our best toys all around here.
Oh, I switched off the octopus. Only got limited juice. I like the scramble bug switched on now.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oof. So Audrey, you won yesterday. It was your first birthday. These are some of your presents that you're showing off on the camera. Very exciting. Oh, wow. Audrey? Oh. Audrey, can you wave? Can you do some waving? Hiya! Hiya! Can you wave?
I'm gonna wave.
You do get a wave. Hiya!
No.
Yeah, no, she just wants to do it. Audrey, can you clap? Can you do some clapping?
Can you do some
Clap,
clapping?
clap, clap, clap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you do some gurning?
Can you gurning?
No, gurning?
Yeah, there's the gurning.
Alright, you can lie down.
Oh, well done. You're so clever. Audrey? Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh
No, she's
no! No,
very
busy.
excited.
Busy.
I think she only did the gurning on the condition that I put her right down on the floor straight after.
Oh, it's a scramble bug.
Oh, yeah!
There we go. Yes, you're so clever. It's your very special scramble bug.
Yep, that's
Yeah.
an emulation of what a high-speed scramble bug would be like.
Oh,
The wind blowing in your hair.
Okay, you're gonna say bye-bye because I'm almost out of time for the filming. So bye, Audrey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna wave? Bye-bye. Oh, she's shy. Bye, Audrey. Oh, Sebastian. Cat? cat. Look.